What's up, everyone? This is CryptoSwift here, and today is March the 29th. This is a BTC over USD chart. We're using Bybit today. We have it on a 2-hour time frame, and I just wanted to share a quick update with you guys. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, and quite honestly, I'm not going to try to count it. The best I could do would be an ABC. This may morph into some type of WXY, WXYXZ type of combination in regards to this whole entire thing. But for now, I just want to focus on a small part. I made an update earlier today on how to spot falling wedges and how to trade the falling wedge. So I noticed that there's a perfect example here as well. So you can check that other video out. It'll be in the description. But there's another example right here live on BTC over USD. You can see right here that this looks like a falling wedge. And so I shared with you guys this concept right here where this is how you look at the falling wedge. It's a series of lower lows and lower highs, and right here we have the same thing. Here's the low, and here's a lower high from this one, and here's a lower low from this one, lower high here, lower low here. So we have the 5 mandatory touch points with a series of lower lows and lower highs all working together to create this falling wedge pattern. So what we do from here is, like I said, you could enter here. It'd be a little more risky, but the best time to enter is on a breakout and a retest. Then it should bounce higher. And then the last part about that was you wanted to see the distance from the top to the first touch point, which is right there. So we take that, we put that right there, and that should be the target right around here, 6487, 6500-ish. So to recap what I showed you guys earlier today, there's 4 steps to these trades that I do. And first is the scoping out. So we scoped out. I was just looking around, trying to see what I can find, and actually found this pattern right here, this falling wedge pattern. The next thing is to identify the pattern, and we did find out that it is a falling wedge pattern. Now we're planning out the trade. So the plan here is we have the target, we have where the stop loss would be. We're gonna wait, and if this breaks up and comes back down, we're gonna want to enter right there. Put the stop loss at the low, and put that target right there. So let's see. So it looked like about an 8 to 9% gain with a 1 to 2% stop loss or loss. So with that being said, that's going to be the execution part. We planned out the trade, let it break out wherever it breaks out to, let it retest this trend line and establish this previous resistance, this white line, this upper white line. You see how it resisted here, it came back and resisted here, it pushed price down. So that's resistance. We want that to establish as at least a temporary support. And once that bounces off that same support line, sorry about that, right here. Oh man. Once that bounces off of this support line, we're gonna want to, oh my God. There we go. Once that bounces off this support line right here, we're gonna want to enter right there on that support, retest, stop loss at the low, target is around 6500, 6490 to be exact. We're going to look for an ABC move up. If you wanted to add Elliott waves into this, this would be counted as a simple 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. And most likely this is going to be followed up with an A, B, C move up. All right, so that's it for today. I just wanted to give that quick Bitcoin update. And it's just interesting because it's a Bitcoin update, but at the same time, it's a perfect live example of how to trade that falling wedge. So just to recap, we scoped, we identified the pattern, we planned out the trade right here, and we're just going to wait for that trade to execute. And that's it, guys. That's the falling wedge on Bitcoin. This is a great trade to take. And you can see that it's coming right into that area right here of previous support and resistance. It was resistance. It turned into support, it became resistance again, we broke into it, we bounced around in here, failed to establish it as solid support. So we broke down, and it'd be a great idea for us to reject right off of that, establish it as more resistance, and then continue downwards. So that's it for today, guys. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if this has helped you in any way. Subscribe to the channel, comment any videos, any other ideas you guys want me to do next for the next few videos. And make sure you check out that description for the other video on how to trade the falling wedge, and for the what is it called, the Telegram group chat and the Telegram channel. We have like 700 members in the group chat now, so come on and join us. And that's it, guys.